I would like to multiply certain numbers in this table by 100. To be specific, I would like to multiply the numbers in class A by 100. There are many ways we can do that. One is by multiplying the numbers in column D by 100, and then we can use absolute cell reference. But then after doing that, we have to filter class A because I also performed the multiplication, the math operation to other classes like V, E, T, and Y. I don't like that. So what I would do is filter class A, and then copy 100. Make sure that those in class A are the only numbers I will multiply by 100. In order to do that, I would do Control G, special, visible cells only. Okay. This will help us to avoid performing multiplication in those hidden cells. And then Alt H for home, VS for paste special, multiply. Okay. And then unfilter. As you can see, we've multiplied all the cells in class A only. I hope you learned something.